What's up, YouTube? Today, what we're going to do is we're going to do the flip kit on the Dodge. I've done some things to make this easier to show everybody. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that that's the only reason I did it, because I'm swapping the bed out anyway. I took the bed off the truck. I've already got it in the air on jack stands and stuff. So I'll show you that, and then we'll talk about what we got to do first. Alright, see there? So already the bed is off. It's out there in the yard, and it's on jack stand there, jack stand on the other side in the same place. This is just holding the axle up a little bit, and I am going to start taking this apart. So what I have to do is pull the shackles first, this top shackle bolt, and the rear shackle bolt, or that's not shackle, just the rear leaf spring bolt back there. So that one and that one. And then actually I need to take the shock loose first, and then pull those four right there for the U-bolts. That's what I need to do first. So I'm gonna get started doing that. Alright, so we got the leaf springs out. There's that one, the other side's over there. Pretty easy. I just WD-40'd the bolts. Four on top of, well, those four at the top there, one at the back. Now, oh, and I forgot to take the shocks loose, but I will. Maybe if I need to. I don't know if I need to or not right now. Yeah, let's go see what needs to happen next. Alright, it's all in. As you can see there, the flip kit is in. And all it is this little piece right here. It goes in the hole on the leaf spring, and then it tucks up in underneath that factory piece. And it's a new leaf spring perch down there on both sides. And all it did was move it from under here to up here, and it lowers the truck, and it looks like it's gonna be freaking level. It should be quite beautiful. Now all I have to do is change out the bump stops, because it comes with smaller bump stops, and we'll put the bed back on, see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is with the flip kit on the back and the unbeat to shit bed. Yes, it is the wrong color. Whatever. The whole truck's gonna get painted soon. So that's how much it lowered it. That's just flip kit, nothing else. It's pretty level. Oh, actually no, I put air shocks on it also. Let's see, can you see those in there? Yeah, there they are. New air shocks. Little air valve right there. So, yeah. The ride's pretty good too. Flip kit, air shocks, and new exhaust. There's a side exit on it now I had put on. Also the little brackets for the flip kit that the axle sits down in. Well, here's the axle, and it sits down in that little bracket, the half moon. You need to have that welded to the axle. If you don't, it will spin in that bracket. Anytime you put torque to it, it will spin. Trust me, it did it to me. And it turns the axle, and your pinion angle will go up, straight up like that. And you don't want that, trust me. So I took it to somebody that had a good welder, because all I have is a little Harbor Freight cheap thing. And they welded it to it for 25 bucks. And I had them put this side pipe on for another 25. So let's listen to the side pipe, but that's the flip kit. Anybody has any questions, be happy to answer them. Let's listen to the exhaust.